What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I'm the Crypto Vet. Thank you all for coming back and tuning in. Honestly, not the happiest this morning. I had somebody on YouTube commented on my channel and said that I was a scam and a fraud, just out to get people's money. I deleted it, but I don't know if this is linked or not, but I lost over 100 subscribers, which, for me means a lot because I only had about 212 at the highest. So called me and said I wasn't a real doctor. I am a doctor. I'm a veterinarian. I mostly do surgery and general wellness, but I am a licensed veterinarian in the state of Texas. So a little sad on that, but I'm not gonna let that bring me down because I have people who've said that they like the videos. So just for you guys, I'm not gonna let that stuff bring me down. I'm not even gonna give that guy the courtesy of a shout out or a reaction video. So but for the people who are sticking around, I'm still doing the giveaway, and now the chances are ever more in your favor. So please keep commenting, keep asking me questions. The Discord, I think I fixed the link. If not, just use my server address. It is case sensitive. It's kind of a weird address because the Discord I use is also for like video game streaming. So my old gamer tag was DrKittyPurry, so that's down below. But in today's video, I'm going to do just a quick update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and then I'm also going to go into something called YAM. I saw a bunch of this on let me go ahead and head over here. Let me scroll down. Where's he at? This guy here, Lil Moon Yambo, which used to be Lil Moon Lambo. He used to bring a lot of XRP news and stuff, so I followed him, interesting things, but he's been talking about YAM for like the past 3 days non-stop. I mean, my whole damn feed just says YAM, YAM, fucking yams, pictures of yams, Lamborghinis, Lamborghini high, just fucking lots of yams, right? So I looked into it, and so I'm going to go over it a little bit. It's kind of risky, but the science behind it is legit for the most part, so I just wanted to go over it so that way you guys kind of know. And then also, just for all the fun people out there who don't think I'm actually a doctor, this is it here, and I'll actually just refresh the page. This is the Texas Veterinary Board of Medical Examiners. My license number is 15508, and I am currently registered in the state of Texas. I live in the DFW area. Doesn't matter. I have 0 disciplinary actions, have not had any in the past 3 years. I graduated from Texas A&M, and I am an active member, and I actually need to renew my license this month. So definitely a real doctor, but well, I also get that a lot too, because I'm a veterinarian, not a real doctor. That doesn't bother me either. Don't really give a shit. I've been a successful veterinarian for over 3 years now. Not doing this for the money. I don't promote every referral every time. I was excited about the Bybit referral just because I like trading, and if you are going to get into it, you might as well get something. I actually promoted in my Discord another YouTuber's referral link because he actually was able to negotiate better things for you and a better bonus. I don't need the fucking money. I do this because I like to do it. So for the people who want to stick around, thank you. If there's anything I can do to help you, it's the only reason I do this. So let's go ahead and get started on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is currently trading at about 11.5, picked up from that drop that we had earlier. XRP started slowly picking up, same with Ethereum, although we do have lots of red across the board. The things that have been going crazy was Compound, up almost 40%, AVE, or AAVE, I don't know how to say it, AVE, and Synthetics. I've been putting a lot of these random coins, token metrics into the Discord. CryptoMonkey 707 really likes the different things that Cryptometrics says, and also knows a shit ton about cryptocurrency, so he's been helping me in the Discord answer questions. So if you're interested in that, lots of cool stuff in the Discord. But if we go ahead and go to Bitcoin, I set out on Twitter that a lot of people were starting to short the market, thinking that the bull run was over, and I tend to disagree, and I think it's about 50-50. We have a lot of the bears on YouTube, and then a lot more bullish people. And then of course we have the bullish hype people where no matter what, this bitch is going to the moon. I like to think of myself as a more level-headed one. I've been in the market after the first bull rally, so I haven't seen the real bull rally of 2017 because I started right after that. But I've been trading the market for quite a bit. I said that we are currently still in this symmetrical triangle pattern, which is a continuation of our, let me zoom out, a continuation of our uptrend that we had before. We're also trading on a flat top of a resistance, but creating higher lows as we go up in this triangle. And I said before that if we zoom out, let it load since I'm on the 4-hour chart, we can see that when we have a flat top of support with a descending resistance line, we tend to break to the downside. However, when that triangle is flat top of resistance and higher lows on the support, we typically break to the upside. Doesn't mean it has to follow that, but since we are doing that at this moment, I still remain bullish until, I'm sorry, you're probably going, this is seizure mode right here. Let's see. But until we break below this, that's the only time that I would potentially switch to bearish, and that's only if we drop down and we don't hold at some key supports. The key support that I'm looking at is 10.5 because that was the long resistance that we had before. So until that happens, this is the trend that I'm sticking with. You know, if you want to day trade this or leverage trade this, I have other strategies for that, but the safest strategy is to just buy the dips and hold, right? So I think that we are still very bullish. Personally, I'd like to see us get above our moving averages here, but we are still technically in this like ascending channel. You know, we had our tries to get out of it, and we've had our wicks that coming down to test that bottom line, but for overall, mostly the candle bodies and the wicks are staying within this ascending channel. So the more we test this top here, in my opinion, the higher likelihood we have to just build up. And as soon as we get that, we're going to then see the 12,000 be our support versus our resistance. So very, very bullish on Bitcoin. For Ethereum, very, very, very similar chart here. On the 4-hour, we are in this ascending channel. We are in more of a symmetrical triangle, not a flat top of resistance. You know, the 400 I thought would be more of a flat top, and I guess you could call it that if you just drew your line right here. But, well, actually the line's perfect right where the visible range is. It's right at 395, close to 400. So if you just visualize the line a little bit higher, we could say that maybe we have a flat top and we're creating higher lows. Again, still likelihood to branch to the upside, and we continuing a rally or an upwards trend, and these flags, pennants, symmetrical triangles after that rally tend to break to the upside following the pattern. That's why they're called continuation patterns. And I included all that stuff in the Discord, including sources for, you know, different trading websites that have the patterns and all that crap. So, and if trading is something you're really interested in and want to learn, I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. I said I love answering questions, and then if I don't know what I'm talking about, I will just tell you, hey, I don't know, let's figure it out together. We'll look it up. I'm definitely not the one to think that I know everything. If you call me out, you know, I will be more than happy to say yes or no, or let's figure it out. Which is kind of the reason why that asshole rubbed me the wrong way, you know, just calling me a damn scam. But yeah, I guess the way YouTube is with the trolls, and I'm also going to go over a couple scams after this. So, but overall, still very bullish on Ethereum. We'll see what happens here. I think Ethereum is probably the closest to breaking out besides XRP. However, XRP looks a little more bearish than the other two. So let's head over to XRP. So XRP still in a symmetrical triangle pattern, but we are actually in a descending channel after we came out of that initial bull rally because we hit pretty strong resistance, not only at the 30 cents range, but also at the 32. The reason I ran a little more bearish on XRP compared to the others is just the TA specifically. Me overall in the long haul, I definitely think XRP is going to go crazy. This is not financial advice. I am a real doctor / idiot. So, you know, don't make any trades based off of me, but educate yourself. You know, use me as a source. You can use me as a way to get information, because if you ask me the question, I'll do the research for you and provide sources. You know, like, what kind of fucking scam is that, right? So in this descending channel here, we are below our moving average, which I don't like to see. And we've also had some longer wicks that extend down here. So, but we did not break out of this lower resistance line. So I have a lot of faith that XRP will move up, but everything seems to be tied together. Like we had gold and silver kind of take a dump to the downside. You know, if we can get back up above the 30, I think that we've had enough time to reset the oscillators over time that our RSI will no longer be overbought. Our moving averages, our MACD could potentially cross to the upside, so we'll just have to wait and see. I definitely think that this week is going to blow people's minds. Maybe to the downside, maybe to the upside. There's no way of knowing. You know, if I was a gambling person, not really am, but I would still gamble more to the upside than the downside. The 2 live trades that I did do on the Discord were unsuccessful, but I had appropriate stop losses, so I did not lose very much. And I currently am not, well, I'm in 1 trade, but it was a long from 10,002 on Bitcoin, 10x leverage, and a very, very small amount. I think I did $500 worth of Bitcoin. So, I could end up being pretty profitable on that, but, that wasn't a safe trade. That was more lucky that I didn't hit my stop loss when we had the flash crash. So, with that, let's go ahead and head to YAM. So this is YAM. This token has actually only been out for about 2 weeks. But the creators of it were pretty transparent that it's only been out for about 2 weeks. And basically you go to their website. This is YAM, and you can become a YAM farmer. You can link your wallet, which is the part that immediately made me go, nope, not doing it. But if you link your wallet, like say MetaMask up here, this wallet, well, it's behind my logo, but if you link MetaMask, you can put in whatever you want, or you can go to Uniswap and convert your ETH, whatever, to the YAM token. And then basically you just take whatever you put in and it just goes into like a big staking pool. Their whole goal is elastic finance. So instead of DeFi, it's EFI. I'm going to include a link to Ivan on Tech. His video, I think it was a couple hours ago, but he knows a lot more about the coding and a lot more information about the specific technicals on stuff, because I believe he actually develops on the Ethereum platform. He's very, very educated on the actual blockchain and all that, so he went into much more depth on YAM. So if you are interested, I suggest you would watch him or do your own research, of course. But it's a governance token, fully decentralized yield farming governance token. It's very, very similar to a couple other really, really big cryptos, including Ampleforth. If you go to Etherscan, which I thought I had up, here it is, Etherscan, this is it. There's less than 3,345 current wallet addresses. The price is kind of hefty to risk in, but the whole protocol will adjust and rebase itself to the amount of people holding and farming. So overall, to me, it just doesn't seem like it has the sustainability. So definitely enter at your own risk. It doesn't seem like it's actually a scam. It's just like there's a chance that it could fail more than anything. So just be careful. I brought it up just because my damn Twitter kept blowing up on it. And I was just like, what the hell is this? I asked Lil Moon Lambo about it, to see if he'd give me some more info. Never replied, but, he's got like 50,000 followers, so, he's probably got 1 million messages because he keeps promoting this damn coin. But the reason I brought that up is because Uniswap is one of the ways to get this token, any of these ERC20 tokens. Be careful, there's a big scam going on with Google phishing ads. So if you click on this ad, if you Google Uniswap and you're trying to get to the website, if you click the first one and not the second one, it takes you to a fake Uniswap website. So the actual website is uniswap.org. And if you go to that website, it is, there we go, directly. This is what it looks like. And if you launch the app, it takes you specifically to this little page here. And you can just pick whatever token you want to go to another token. And it's very easy to put in something wrong. Like if you wanted a token that's very, very small, make sure you have the correct token address. And that can be found on Etherscan, and here's the contract address. So, if you want to do YAM, you could go here, go to Uniswap, let's select a token, paste, and hopefully it pops up. So found by address. So, and it even says here, anybody can create a token. But back to that article, whenever you go to Uniswap, it looks like this, .site versus the .org. And when you go on here, it actually asks you to put in your wallet's specific code, which you shouldn't have to do. And by doing so, they can wipe out your whole crypto account. So just be very, very, very careful. That's all I was going to go over today. To all the subscribers who did stick around, I really appreciate it. I hope you guys don't think I'm a scam. I already let everybody know that I said I'm newer to the space, but I've been here longer than some, right? I feel like I do pick up on information a little faster than most, so like I wanted to bring that to people. And even if everybody left and I was down to 1 subscriber, but that one subscriber was active, kept asking questions, and I was able to help that one person, I'd still do it. I ain't in this shit for the money. I got plenty of that. So you guys are awesome. I'm going to still give the XRP giveaway on Friday, and I'm actually thinking about upping how much I give away just to prove that little shit wrong. Not a scam. But you guys are awesome. I got work in a couple hours, but I'm still going to do another video later today, so you guys take it easy.